So here in digital video, there's a lot of different opportunities for students, from beginner in the intro class to learn how to just do the basics of editing and how to use the camera, to intermediate and advanced, where you learn how to just kind of be able to make short films and commercials and things like that. You get a lot more freedom and a lot more opportunities to learn other things on your own and be able to work in groups. As far as sports digital video goes, which is the class that's behind me right now, they're in charge of making the graphics and making the videos for the video boards at all of the major sports facilities, right? So the gym for basketball, volleyball, and so on, and then the football field, the baseball, the softball field. They made all of those this year for any different number of reasons, for sponsors or anything like that. So a great overall program and a great opportunity for these kids to learn, the technology that it takes at the college and even the pro level for jumbotrons and things like that with Daktronics, which is the company name, or of course the opportunity to be in digital video and learn how to make whatever it is that your idea is come to life in video form. So I take pride in that. I think we have a lot of fun. And again, the big goal in this class is to give students kind of the tools to work and be able to be free and have that freedom to create and not have to, hold their hand through it.
What's going on, everyone? My name is Isaiah Gunda, and I am a part of Carlsbad High School's digital media program. I've been in this program with Mr. Gonsalez teaching for 4 years now. Some of just the many projects that we've done in this class specifically, this is the sports digital video class. We've created stuff for the football team, the hype video that played at every football game that was made here.
Hey fellas, we ain't gonna ever back down from nobody. I don't care who it is. This is a brotherhood. And if we stand strong together.
We also did stuff for baseball, softball, basketball, some stuff for track, I believe so. Just overall, we make a bunch of cool stuff for all the different teams that hit us up and say, hey guys, we need something for this. But also some stuff outside of this classroom. I've been a part of a team that's qualified for nationals this year for TSA. The gentleman behind me right there, Jaden, he's gonna be going over there, so they're gonna do great. And so we just made awesome videos, and what I like about this class is just the environment, the people, the teacher, right? He tells us funny jokes sometimes and lightens the mood. But overall, just the class and how the quality of work that we produce.